is a great example of a natural landscape using the ferns that are found here in La Selva outside of Deedra's home. And I think that what Deedra did here is just put down pieces of wood and old broken down rotten logs, and maybe a few ferns were planted originally, but some of them came up naturally from the spores from the ferns around here. And this, it doesn't need to be touched, except maybe once in a while you might want to cut one dead frond off, but there's absolutely no maintenance involved here. It has very many different species of ferns. I couldn't tell you what they are because that's not my field, but I think it looks beautiful. At the base of a tree, you have other things growing up the tree. You have a diversity of things here that will bring in whatever insects, animals, a hiding place for things. You have different textures of leaves and colors. For instance, you have this lighter leaf here with a more delicate frond, and then you go down to this leaf, and there's obviously a bird that's been visiting the tree up above, and he might be up in that tree because he saw an insect that he likes to eat. And here is another new fern that is absolutely gorgeous, and then you have other types of vegetation. And down here you have some splendid little ferns that are just growing all by themselves, hidden by the leaves of the larger ferns. They probably love the shade and the humidity, and so they're thriving down here. It's growing, it doesn't need any help, doesn't need any human intervention. And that's the beauty of a natural landscape.